everybody. So today I'm going to be making a key holder with a pink and gold theme. I'm going to be using apricot mica powder by Small Tongue, some pink glitter, 14 karat gold mica by Eye Candy, and then rose quartz also by Eye Candy. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Don't be scared of what's to come. It's all for you. How did you forget? It's all for you. Looking back afterwards, it was all for you. I can't wait for you to see it was all for you. For one last time, let's hold our own and make it right. Let's be clear from the start this time. It's all to please us.
Who am I to give advice? I'm nobody, but take a listen. Just like everybody else, I've got a story. I don't know how to say it nice. I shine it up and make it glisten. All I know is I believe and it's reassuring. When I was out, when I was down, somebody told me something so simple, but I follow it till this day. Hey, go follow your rainbow. Hey, don't believe when they say no, say no. Hey, go nobody, but you better listen. Cause I'm that little voice inside your head saying, hey, go follow your rainbow. Go follow your rainbow. Hey, don't believe when they say no. Don't you believe them? Go follow your rainbow. And you'll find your pot of gold. Don't you believe? Don't you believe them? Don't you believe? Don't you believe them? Who am I to give advice? I'm nobody, but you better listen.
We're gonna just do a little bit and put that on there. And then use my little light, and I'm gonna put actually I'll put a little bit on in the center here. I want it to be about the same distance. So these go in there like that. Here's the final piece. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.